Today I'm making chocolate dip magic cookies. First, in a large bowl I have 12 crushed golden Oreos. Next I'm adding a half a cup of chopped Reese's peanut butter cups. Then I'm adding a half a cup of toffee pieces. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of each of walnuts and peanuts. Then I'm just going to give that a mix. Then I'm going to add some sweetened condensed milk. I started with half a can and mixed that up, and then I need to add a little bit more, so I use close to 3/4 of the can. Next I have a lined cookie sheet. I'm going to scoop out the cookies and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Next I have a bowl with 1 cup of chocolate. I'm going to melt that. Now that the cookies have come out of the oven and cooled for a little bit, I'm going to take each cookie and dip the bottom in chocolate and then put it back on the baking sheet, and once I'm done dipping all the cookies, I'm going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to set up. Here's an up close look at the chocolate dip magic cookies.